With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution can be matched to the individual needs of a dental clinic. Using the insert rack permits standing decontamination of the MELAstore-Trays. The MELAG wash trays with individually placeable silicone bars contributes to the protection of the instruments, the team, and thus to the improvement of the reprocessing quality. The fine grate in the instrument basket permits the acceptance of mirrors, probes, and tweezers. The coarse grate provides space for larger instruments, such as root elevators. Drill bits and other small instruments can be decontaminated in a small parts basket. You can place the small parts basket either standing up in the instrument basket or lying down in the flex basket. Besides the acceptance of additional instruments, the flex system allows the stacking of the accessories on 2 levels. For example, you can stack baskets for hinged instruments and impression trays on the flex basket too.